So this is how you can use Trello. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for Trello. Today you will learn how to use the whole website. So, Trello is an organizing kind of thing. It helps you organize your work, your projects, and whatever you do for your job. So go ahead and tap on create a new board and just title it whatever you want. I'm going to put hello and go ahead and tap on create. Once you do, it will send you to this empty board right here. Now, this is where all the magic happens because you can go ahead and add lists and cards. Now, let me explain to you what those are. So, a list is where you can organize your cards, and your cards, think of them as your little projects. For example, you can name a card like water your plants or go take a walk. In fact, I'm gonna go ahead and make lists. For example, I'm gonna add to do, ongoing, and finished. Now, here are my three lists. I'm gonna add a card that says go walk the dog. Now, it can be anything, honestly, but I just used this example so it would be easier, I guess. So, as you can see, we have to do. And if I do this job, this mission, this task, I go ahead and add it to ongoing. And once I finish it, I'm gonna go ahead and put it to finished. Now you can add as many cards as you want, but this is just a simple demonstration of what Trello does for you. You can even have power-ups and automation. For example, like if you label this green, it will go ahead and move on its own, but that tutorial is for another day. So, as you can see, you can change the display, you can even customize this whole thing if you have Pro or Premium. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You can customize your cards, your lists, and you can even share the whole board with your members or your employees by tapping on share, adding their email, and then tap on share. Or you can go ahead and tap on create link, tap on copy link, and then send the link to them. And once you do, you can go ahead and assign them cards, different tasks, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.